Welcome to Anything Is Possible. As usual, Kevin don't wait for nobody, and he's on with a trout.
That's a nice one.
We're at the our local spot. It's packed with people.
I can get him.
Here you go.
Are we keeping him?
Nope, letting them all go tonight. Wet your hand first, because you're gonna have to. Here, do you want me to hold the rod? Okay, be careful with that treble hook. Grab the line, not the lure. Got him? Up, there he goes.
That's a nice one.
Nice one, Kev. Good job. Here's your rod.
He came right there.
Came right up. Just followed it in.
No, he was like right there when I hooked him.
Nice, nice. So we got. So Jigging for Biggins sent us these two lures. So I think we're going to give that a try tonight. But we have less than an hour of fishing time. Just got back from our Loyal Sock trip. So we just got here, we're gonna do some fishing. We might throw these on tonight. If not, we'll throw them on another night. Either way, we're gonna link the video over, we're gonna link Jigging for Biggins channel on this video. Kev caught this on the Zero Meps. And he just missed another one. So.
No, it's probably not.
I'm gonna throw this one out there. That's the Joe's Fly lure that Jigging for Biggins gave us. All right, there we go. Just got the second cast on. Tell you, they're right on the edge. There's a hatch going on, and they're coming right up on that. Pardon me.
Sunny's on the fly on old cast.
Spin caster rod, fly rod. Show them the fly you're using. 3 sunnies so far. Only.
And one trout came up.
The ingenuity of only an 8-year-old.
Tried catching one of them, and only the coolest one was interested. Oh, that was a trout. Look, see if I can catch it.
I think he just took it, didn't he? Can you see the bait? Can you see it? Yeah, because he took it. You got to be able to see it to use that. Took it.
I saw that.
I can see. I'll tell you when he takes it. Took it.
That's a dogfish.
Yeah.
Why don't you quickly tie one of these ones?
We don't have time. We have like 2 minutes. Oh, that goldfish was looking at it. Throw it back there. Yeah. He's going for it. Just let it. No. This goldfish might be the hardest thing to catch in here.
That big one. Let's see if I can hook up into that big one you're talking about.
10 minutes to go. All right, that wraps it up. Just a quick session. That's my alarm going off. About 35 minutes. Got the one trout. Kevin caught 3 sunnies on the, he caught the trout too. I didn't catch nothing. He caught the 3 sunfish on the fly. He took a fly out of the car. Sorry for the poor video. I am really late actually. Threw the fly off my rod, put it on his, and casted that out there, and he was catching them. So even when the night's like what you think is a failure, if you learn something, it's not a failure. So he was wanting to catch these goldfish for a while here, and we actually saw one go after the fly, so gives us hope that we can catch them now. And we're going to bring the fly rod next time so we can actually cast these flies. All right, well, thanks for watching. As always, this is just a quick one tonight. Like I said, like and subscribe our videos, check out our longer stuff. Peace.